Okay, today we're going to start making a simple S-hook. Here's an example of one of the students I did a course with. We built this one today. I'm just going to do a quick demonstration on the things we go through to make it. So until the forge is heated up here and our material is warm, and we'll start off by just pointing that end. This end we already had a start on, so it's going to be fairly easy. I think that's pretty well good enough on that end. I will grab my pliers. And I will just curl this end. Because it's so small, it heats up really quickly. And we'll straighten that out a little bit. Now we'll work on the other end. We'll do the same thing. And now we'll point this end. And there we have the point, so we'll scroll the point end, the little rat tail hook on the other end now. One thing I want to mention while we're waiting for our material to hold up is it's very important to wear your safety equipment while you're doing this, your gloves, your safety glasses, and proper wear to keep yourself from being burnt. Like myself, I like to wear my coveralls and my leather steel-toed boots, because dropping hot pieces of metal, you can injure yourself very badly, very quickly. And we'll call that one good. Now we're going to go over to the bending jig over here, and we'll just bend the hook in there. You'll notice that I scrolled the rat tail hooks opposite on each end to the opposite side, so that as I bend my hook will form the S. Now that's not really that important, because if you put a twist in the middle of your hook, which we will do at the end, you can always twist it to where they end up where they're supposed to be. I'm going to cool this little hook on the end, the little rat tail that I bent, and I will come over here and to the bending jig here. This jig is not really perfect for what we are doing here. I believe it was made for another purpose, but it will work. And we'll straighten that out. And we'll do the other end now. And again, we'll cool the little rat tail. Before we bend. And we get a little twisted up, and it's kind of cattywampus a little bit. We'll straighten that out before we start our twist. Thing is, when it starts doing this, is to straighten it out before it gets too bad. And my hooks aren't quite even, but I'll see if I can even that one out a little bit. And that looks a little better. So now what we're going to do, we're going to heat it up, and we're going to put a twist in the center section here. Just a simple twist. Just for decorative purposes. These flat bit tongs might work a little better for this. And we'll go in the and we can twist as little or as much as we like. I'm going to go with 2 full turns. Twist. And we'll just straighten that out a little bit. And we'll just put it back in the forge. We'll heat it up. And we'll just use the wire brush to clean it up to get rid of the scale on it. Straighten it up a little bit. And there you have just a kind of a decorative S-hook, good for hanging plants or whatever. Thank you.